just believe there's nowhere we can fall.
Welcome to a Fishakeem_reacts Vlogmas episodes.
What is up, guys? It's your Jamaican friend here with another reaction. So on this reaction, we're gonna react to Indonesian various artists. We are the world. Note briefly, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So it's Christmas time, or we are celebrating the Christmas season or the Christmas month. We're in the Christmas era, and this song is really needed, right? And I'm quite excited because what if the world should unite? How would the people be living right now? Would they be living in harmony? Would they be living in fear? Would they be living like they're not a part of this world, right? So I want to check out this song that will be done by the Indonesian people, because I really do like the Indonesian people. They seems to give me a liking towards them. So let's see what they're up to, and let's have an experience of a lifetime. Peace. I'll see you there. Take a walk with me. Forward. Okay, so is everyone here? Okay, so if you guys are here, let's dive into this beautiful collaboration of a cover song. So let's dive. These people are so beautiful, guys.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one.
I'm not ready for this. I'm totally not ready for this one. Like, oh my god, guys, like, oh my god, guys, like, what? This is so beautiful. Okay, let's continue.
There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
Whoa, whoa. The unity, the combination. Mind blown. Mind blown.
We can go on day by day.
What?
That someone somehow will soon make a change.
Damn.
We are all around, cause great big family.
Guys, like, imagine, right? All of these people come together as one, right? Because we are all a part of God's plan. Like, what if all the people in the world should unite together like this, right? The entire world would be so beautiful. I mean, like, the human race is so large, right? With a vast variety of people from all over, from all walks of life, right? Like 8 billion people in this world. I'm not really sure of the tally of how much people is in this world exactly, but I could say 8 billion, right? If all those 8 billion people should come together, right, and form a unity of strength, right? What could stop us? Would be so loving, would be so cherishing, would be so happy together, right? It would be so amazing to see all these people, right? Just like what Michael Jackson did, right? He sung this song and he invite all the people in this world, across the world, to hold on together, because we are all one, right? We are humans, yes, obviously, but we are all one. And the unity of this song is very good. Very good. I love this song. I love the vibe. I love the positivity. I love the energy, because you're all singing from a heart, right? Let's continue.
And the truth, you know, love is so real. We are the one.
Guys, this guy voice is very nice, very beautiful. I mean, like, if he's one of the person who done reaction songs as an Indonesia, don't forget to share me a link in the comment section. I would be so glad to check out this man's covers because his voice is giving a vibe, right? I love it. It is very cute, very amazing. Oh man, like each person on this, their voices are really amazing.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me.
Oh, darn it. What? Hey, I'm so excited, guys. Like, my excitement right now is off the roof. I'm mind blown. I'm mind blown by all these performances. I'm mind blown by all these people coming together to sing this wonderful song, bro. This song should be sung by a lot of people. To be honest, I'm in Jamaica and I would like to see my Jamaican folks come together because in Jamaica, we have a lot of rivalry, right? In dancehall, the dancehall music, the dancehall diaspora, right? And each person is to their own, right? What if all those dancehall artists should come together and song this song together, right? Even if it's like 10 of them who's not a friend of each other and comes on to music, what if they should come together and form a team to sing this song? The world will be so, especially in Jamaica, right? There's so much segregation in my country right now when it comes on to music. It's sickening, right? So if they should come together and sing this song, the entire country would be in shock. The entire country would learn to live better. The entire country would learn to be loving each other. Like, oh, this is mind blowing. This is so mind blowing, guys. Let's continue.
Stronger and free.
Just imagine, guys. Like, holy guacamole. Hey. This is sick. Oh my days. Whoa. All right. Let's not get out of place here. Let's continue.
We can let them suffer. Now we cannot turn away. Right now, they need a helping hand. We are the ones. We are the children.
Oh my god, like Raka, guys, right the hell on. Beautiful, just beautiful.
We are the ones who make it brighter day, so let's not give in.
Oh man,
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own life.
guys, her part is so cute. Her voice is so cute. Her looks is really beautiful, right? Because I've heard so much people sing this song, but this one right here is a special thing. I really do like the combination, right? If the world should even come together as one and unite, it would be so amazing, right? All the segregation is pulling the world apart, and we really need to come back and unite together as one. Trust me, we would set a legacy for the new generations because this is what is been taking place, right? Everyone is just all for themselves. No one wanna love each other. Everyone just loving themselves, which is not a problem. We don't have a problem when loving ourselves, but we should also love others, right? If we do love others, the world would be so much better, right? Everything would flow so much easier. right? But just because of people and their stuck up ways, it's so difficult for people to come by and say, hey, let's shake hands and be friends. It would be so good. Our life would be so much better, right? Like, oh, this song is touching. Like, I'm impressed.
It's true, and make a better day, just you and me. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's nowhere we can fall.
Sing on, folks. Sing on, man. Oh my days. Like, whoa, I've heard this song already. To be honest, I know the words, I know the lyrics, but this song that's so new, this song that they are singing right now, the combination or the cover, sounded as if they're the one who wrote this. Like, the combination is amazing. Oh, blown. Oh, why? These women, these men, guys, I don't know what to even say right now. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so darn happy. Wow. Unexpected. That little female there, I want to say, your voice is excellently good, amazing, stupendously good. All right. Guys, I'm getting out of hand right now, but I can't help it. I can't help it. I just, oh man. Guys, before I close this reaction, I would really like to see the world come together as one, to unite, to help each other, to make the world a better place. To be honest, the world would be so amazing to see all these people come together, right? All the segregations of this world is pulling the world apart, and we don't want to be a part of the world pulling. We want to be a part of the world combining, right? The combination of people coming together is really a beautiful thing. Life is even much nicer together when all the races come together, having a story to tell each other. It would be so, just imagine it, guys, like all the world that unites together, telling a story, even though we're going to have people who have different languages, but the technology is so increasingly good right now. We have devices, we have apps that can transfer the voices that we don't understand into something understanding, right? So what if that should happen? The world will be so good. Ah, darn it, guys. Let's unite. Let's unite. Unity is the best.
We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make the brighter days. So let's start again. Let's start again. Let's start again. We're standing on one.
Guys, we would love to see each other give each other a handshake and say, hey, let's put our hatred behind us and let's love each other. I would love to see that right now. Trust me.
It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me.
Wow. Wow. That was beautifully amazing. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys do reach just for my reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button. To be a part of the Jamaican reactor over here. I would love to see you guys on my platform. Like, that is the reason I'm here doing reactions, because I love to see other people across the world do these type of things. Like, I'm impressed, right? My little country, Jamaica, where Bob Marley's from, it's so nice to see you all here. I'll see you next time around. Peace.